We're going to continue with some more music and poetry. Nick Chandler is going to sing for us a prayer that was revealed by the Bob. And after that, Cole Malone will recite some poetry that he has written that is inspired by the twin manifestations. Twin manifestations is a concept or terms or titles for the Bab and Baha'u'llah, who are the founders of the Baha'i faith. If you'd like to know a little bit more about the twin manifestations, I would encourage you to check out this corner of the room, because these sculptures by Carl Phillis are also in tribute to the twin manifestations. So without further ado, here are Nick and Cole.
Second. Is there any remover of difficulties? Save God, say praise be God. He is God. Is there any remover of difficulties? Save God, say praise be God. He is God. All are His servants, and all abide by His bidding. Is there any remover of difficulties? Save God, say praise be God. He is God. All are His servants, and all abide by His
So I wrote these 4 poems. 2 are from the perspective of other people in regards to the twin manifestations. One is sort of from the perspective of the Bob. But I wanted to start with a poem I wrote recently that actually has nothing to do with that, just as sort of a mic test, if that's okay. It's called Aquariums in the Office. Teaching you the tools you'll use, this is a tongue twister. Teaching you the tools you'll use when trading basic facts. Fish and chips, this party whips, I'm glad I could relax. So does that sound good for everybody? This poem is called It Is a Gate. Loose thy tongue, but do not sully your heart. Pay attention, my death's a ripple for it to start. The world is changing, my death's a ripple for it to start. It is a gate, through which the path is straight, and manifestly not the first or final rising to date. But I can hear your cries and feel your pain. We gotta stick together because this world's insane. Like a kid who's a basket case, who'll punch your face, and needs a teacher kind enough to give him the space to adapt and attain tools of heavenly grace, and that's the only way to make humanity sing. The next one, yes, thank you, Snaps. Snaps only, please. This next one's called My Mask of Faith. It is from the perspective of somebody trying to harm followers of the Bob during the Bob's time. It's supposed to be a song, but I didn't quite finish that ambitious idea, so I'm just going to read the lyrics as a poem. My mask of faith consumes my soul. I cannot see what's in store. I have unlimited science, but confirmation bias has caught mine. It wills my blade. It wills my blade. Unswayed. Beyond desire. Beyond desire. Until the end, I won't ascend this dark plane, but I welcome death, and I'm not afraid of my dark ways. Until the end, until the end, until the end. So. The final 2 poems are just from my perspective as inspired by the twin manifestations and their teachings. This one's called A Clean House, A Clean Room. Oblivious by nature, I strive to justify appearances and cultivate my family's home, the coolest, most productive Baha'i one. The friends of the faith motivate me like the golden gates, back-turned, long-turned, what a mistake. A clean house, a clean room, a quick way to help assume a position of nobility, a resemblance and remembrance of thee. Build memories so we'll remember life's reveries long in the future. The next one's called Service. This is the last one. Wish my work would take me longer, take more skill and make me stronger. Wish that it would take more often, take my time and hold my caution. All of these ideas I champion finally start to sink in. Poetry's no trivial matter. Still don't put your faith in these words of fire alone. Anytime you want something, challenge that desire, testing it with fire. Nothing lasts except love. Thank you.